Hey everybody, Keith Campbell here with KeithandSheila.com, MilitaryCityRealtors.com, powered by Fathom Realty. Want to bring you another maintenance tip for your home. Our last one, we looked at the air handler in the attic or in the closet about how to maintain it. Today, I want to look at the condenser fan and the whole condenser unit out in the yard. So this is your standard condenser. Now this is a Goodman 4-ton unit. So what you have here is all this out here, that's called the condenser coil. This up here, this is the condenser fan. You can see the fan blades. The motor's under this top plate right here. So when your unit's running, it's been running for a while, a quick easy way to see if the motor's getting hot, ready to burn out, is just set your hand on it. Because if you can't keep your hand on it, it gets so hot you can't hold your hand on it. That means that motor's burning out and it's gonna fail at some point. So the condenser, you want to wash it every now and then, because if you look closely, you can see the coil in there. It wraps all the way around this guy. So this fan blows air over the coil, and then that is transmitted up through this suction line, this big insulated line right here. That's the big fat one. And then the little one there, that's an exhaust line. So that's where your Freon goes back and forth between the condenser and the air handler evaporator coil. So you want to keep brush, shrubs away from this guy. You don't want it impeding airflow to this big condenser fan. And it's nice to make sure it's level too. You can put a level on it, because if it's tilted one way or the other, there's a lubricant inside the Freon that keeps that scroll motor, the condenser scroll motor, kind of oiled a little bit. And if it's not level, then it doesn't lubricate equally. So really that's about it. Like this one's got a bunch of leaves and stuff. Wash all that away. The bottom of the condenser fan down there, see all those leaves in there? This whole housing will come off. Don't do it yourself. Hire an AC person to come out to service your unit. Take this off, clean it out, wash the condenser. It's pretty clean. You can see there's a little bit of dirt on it, but for the most part it's pretty clean. This is your shut-off switch. Oh, looky there, it just fired up. Listen to that too. This thing is vibrating or making some funky noises. That means there's a problem as well. A bearing could be going out, the fan itself could be going out. Going back to the cutoff switch though, if you need to work on something or you need to kill the power to it, just lift that cover and pull that switch out. Make sure the insulation on that suction line is not completely dry rotted. This one's getting close, but it's still pretty insulated, because that Freon's coming out of that unit at about 40 degrees. You want to keep it nice and cool in the summer. If you have a heat pump system, then it's a little bit different inside. There's a reversing valve that reverses the flow. It goes from cooling to heating, and it's good to about 35 to 37 degrees outside temperature. When it gets colder than that outside, if you have a heat pump, you'll have to turn on your emergency heat. You need some heat strips. Well, I hope that helps. If you have any questions about any of this, don't hesitate to contact us. And just a reminder, we do recommend that you have your system serviced every spring and every fall to get optimum performance and use out of it. Hope you're having a great day. Stay safe, be healthy. Talk to you soon. God bless.